In Kinderland, yeah. The Kinderland at the beginning in 54. You are 54. And in 55, I am not, but in 56, I was invited to coordinate because the people like me, they have confidence for me, and me and my wife and the children. I have not money to pay to travel abroad. Then they said, okay, you will not pay the the como é deslocamento
The house, the food,
the work it will not have
everything will be free for you.
free for me. Okay, I will be. Then during quite 10 years, I was coordinated the Kinderland.
Hat geschrieben, der Hymn? Der Hymn?
The hymn, yes. Because we have the idea to put together a group that freely wanted to do it, a choir, and some of the young boys and girls play it or piano or another flute. Then they had to have a motivation, and I was inspired. It was a very nice place, nature very beautiful. Then I composed this.
Wie geht es? Wie, Sie kennt ihr das singen?
Yeah, you can think.
Da Kinderland, oe, oa, entre as colônias.
Maior, oe, oe, igual não há, reina aqui o eterno dia da paz e da harmonia, reina aqui fraternidade,
Base mestra da humanidade, Kinderland, oe, oa. These were little boys and girls singing. Was beautiful.